Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Mytrip application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and go to the top to the Personal Information section and tap on Settings. Here you should select your title, then type in your first name and last name. Then your date of birth should be selected, and then you should add your email address, then your phone number and your favorite departure airport. Then click on the Save button, and then your personal information section has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.